Hi guys, okay, so I'm trying out a new camera program to make some videos with, and this one is specifically for Phyllis, who has just got her website going. I've got her started with it. So this is coming to you courtesy of forhimwebdesigns.com. And so what we're going to do, Phyllis, we're going to start with Dreamweaver. You're on the same version that I am on, Dreamweaver MX 2004. We're going to go here, we're going to just go Site, Manage Sites. Now, you're not going to be in here, so what you're going to have to do is click New and then Site, okay? And this window is going to come up. It says Unnamed Site 1. Now, stay there. Do not go away while I pull up yours now, okay? So, because I've already got you programmed in. The first window, now you can work with me. You're going to give this one a name, okay, which I gave it the name Phyllis. Okay, it can be anything. This is not going to affect your site. So type in anything you want to, and what it's going to do is create a folder in your My Documents folder for everything for your site to be stored in. Click Next. Keep it the way it is. No, I do not want to use server technology. Next. Edit local copies of my machine, then upload to the server. Have that one checked. By default, this will be in your My Documents under whatever name you gave the previous folder. Okay? Next. Now, here's where you're going to do a little bit of work. This is about the hardest work you're going to do. You're going to do right here. I think it'll be on local network, but you're going to drop down until you see FTP, and you're going to choose FTP. Okay? This is where you're going to put your host name. Yours, specifically Phyllis, is ftp.byhisgrace.cc. Okay, that is your FTP. For anybody else, check with your server, see what your FTP needs to be. Okay, your FTP login is the same name as your server name, and you already know your password. So after you get those in, click Test Connection. And it will tell you if it connected to your site, and if it hasn't, we've done something wrong. Stop right here, go over the tutorial, or give me a call. We're going to click Next. No, you do not mess with anything on this page. Next, nothing on this page, and Done. And so when you're ready, you click Done right here, and your site is going to come up. Voila. Now, you're not going to see anything over here on this side. What I want you to do is right here where it says Phyllis, next to it, Local View. Click a Remote View, and then I want you to click these two little plug-in. It says connects to the remote host, and then click the down arrows, which says, if you highlight it, it's going to say Get Files. Yes, and it's going to verify, do you want me to get all the files? Yes, you do. You want everything, and it will go right into that folder in your My Documents. Now, I'm going to go back to Local View because I always work on Local View. That way, if I mess up, not a problem. It can be fixed. Your very first page for this host is default, capital DEFAULT.htm is your very first file. Now, just like any kind of word processing thing you've ever used, whether Microsoft Word, Works, whatever, this is so much like one of these. This is a very easy program. So put your cursor like wherever you want to on the page, and you can just begin typing. And you can type anything you want to say. Okay, now let's say you're done. Let me go ahead, and I'm just going to backspace that out. That's all you do. You go up here on your toolbar, File, Save. Then these two little arrows, File Management, click it, and Put. Always upload your changes when you're happy with them, because if you mess up, you know you can go right back to where you were, and you don't have to worry about it, okay? Although you can always go back by Edit, Undo, Backspace, or you can do Edit, Undo, but I just prefer not to mess up more than what I should, so I don't have to start over from the beginning. But if you do, don't worry about it. I've got your site backed up, okay? Now, to make a hyperlink, let's do, right here, For Him Web Designs. I forgot I didn't take that off when I was trying this before. Okay, you highlight the word. So you typed, For Him Web Designs. You're going to pretend you just typed that. Down here where it says link, you can type in or copy and paste the website that it goes to. To get it to open in a new page, you take that empty one down to blank, and it will open it in a new page. Now, we're going to go ahead and take that off there because it's rather redundant, and it is on your links page. File, Save, and I can do Put. Okay. Now, let's pretend you want to do a picture. Insert, Image. And we're going to go and find something on my desktop. Eventually find something on my desktop. Desktop. Okay. And so we're going to, I shall have our favorite Alyssa in here. And I have, I'm trying to find a picture that, you always need to resize pictures to where they will fit. This way you don't have any trouble whatsoever. We're going to do picture 21. I believe that is. Okay, well, here we go. I don't know if Alyssa would like her name plastered out on the web thing or not, so I use mine. Okay, you're going to choose a picture, double click, click yes. It is outside the root folder. Yes, you want to import it in. And then click save. Okay, and so that's going to import the picture in there, and now it's saved. Once again, file, save, and put. Always do that. So if you want to get to other pages, I'll go ahead and take me off, don't worry. Okay, file, save. Now if you want to get to other pages, so right over here you have writings. Style, you don't have to mess with style. Do not mess with style, CSS. That will affect your web page. Salvation. This is your plan of salvation. If there's anything you want to edit in it, double click to bring it up. Start typing away just like you would any word processing document. So I believe that is all the time we have for today. And so I hope this has helped you and everybody else out there.